Namaste, welcome to Arthaniti. Today is Jana Aushadhi Divas. Jana Aushadhi scheme was started by our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi in 2015. This scheme was started with the intention of setting up Jana Aushadhi centers all over the country where generic medicines would be available to the masses, to the people at affordable prices. On this day, I thought it was apt to tell you about a very special startup in the generic medicine space. Why am I saying special? Why? Because this startup was founded by a 16-year-old boy. Yes, a 16-year-old boy when most of us are in our 10th or 11th standard. This boy set up his own company. The boy named the boy is named Arjun Deshpande. He hails from Thane. Now, Arjun's mother works in the pharma space. When he was 14 years of age, he had visited around 20 pharmaceutical companies, 20 pharma plants along with his mother. And that's when he came to know, that's when he understood that generic medicines were sold in the market as at the same prices as branded medicines. Now, generic medicines normally had to be affordable medicines, right? But they were sold at the same prices as branded medicines. Why was this the case? Why? Because firstly, people were not aware. Secondly, people were skeptical about such medicines. And thirdly, the wholesalers used to demand high margins from small retailers who had no choice but to increase the prices of the generic drugs. Now, after understanding that this was a problem with generic medicines, Arjun decided that this was the space that he wanted to get into. He found that the extra cost that the customers had to pay for the generic medicines could be reduced. What did he do then? He tied up with WHO, World Health Organization, and GMP certified pharmaceuticals and directly started providing his franchisee pharmacists with the medicines that were produced in this WHO GMP certified pharmaceutical companies. What this helped to do? This helped to reduce the cost of the medicines by nearly 80%. The retailers, the retail pharmacists were also able to give away, to sell the medicines at lower prices to the ultimate consumers. Generic Aadhar, the name of the company founded by Arjun Deshpande, has a huge portfolio of generic medicines. He also provides Ayurveda and homeopathic medicines to his franchisee outlets. One more interesting fact about Arjun Deshpande is last year in 2020, Shri Ratan Tata, the ex-chairman of Tata Sons, invested, though a small amount, but he saw the potential in the work Arjun was doing and he invested in Arjun's company, Generic Aadhar. Shri Tata said that he invested in the entrepreneur, because of his youth and his ability to address a complex supply chain problem. In one of my earlier videos, I had said I had told you about Warren Buffett's investment philosophy. Warren Buffett often mentions that while taking investment decisions, he, instead of looking at the brand value of the company, looks at the people behind the company, the people who are responsible for managing the company. Their integrity, their intent is what is most important for him when he invests in a new company. Likewise, Ratan Tata saw the potential in Arjun Deshpande and that's why decided to invest in his company. Today, Generic Aadhar has over 35 pharmacies who have attached with his company in Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, and some parts of Orissa. Today, generic Aadhar has a turnover of 6 crores. I'm sorry for that. 6 crores. Is 6 crores a small amount? For someone who is salaried, yeah, or who owns a retail business, yes, there was a time when a crore of rupees would make your whole life's income, correct? So achieving 6 crores of turnover in 2 years of starting a business is not a small feat, correct? Arjun plans to increase his turnover to 200 crores in the next 3 years. He also plans to increase his franchisee stores from the current 35 to more than 200 across the country. So you see the potential this 18-year-old boy has, and the space that he is working in, that is making all the difference, correct? On this day, Jana Aushadhi Day, I thought it apt to tell you the story of Arjun. Why? Because this young boy was able to understand a niche, was able to understand a need gap in the market, where customer satisfaction, where the needs of the customers, the wants of the customers were not satisfied. He understood that gap and he decided to work in that space. That is why he has become successful, correct? If we need to start a new business, or if we are planning to enter into a new, if we are planning to set up a new startup, what is needed is for us to understand what is not getting provided to the people. What do people want, and which of their wants are still unsatisfied, correct? That is the key to success. That is the key to setting up a new business. That is where a business idea can be generated from. So understanding your customers, understanding the market in which you are working, understanding the needs of the people in that market is going to make all the difference in for your company's success or failure. And this 16-year-old boy must be a school pass out, and say in his 11th or 12th standard, yeah, has understood the crux of setting up a very successful startup, correct? So again, in this small episode today, I hope you have learned something about the market, about what is needed to start a successful company, about how understanding your customers is the basis of starting a new business. I have learned a few things. I hope you do too. Thank you.